so happy about this one. I'm so happy about this one. Hi everyone, welcome back to 70s channel. Today we're gonna do an unboxing by FURLA. Okay, so let's start opening it, and I see that it's here at the back, and it's one of the most satisfying noises of this world. Sorry for Evie, for my cat, but she really wanted to be here. Okay, ready? Okay. So let's open it together. Ow! We have the small one. We have the big one. We have an envelope, and we have this. I have never seen such a thing. What is it? Maybe it's for humidity. It's smelling well, but it's the first time in my life that I see something like this. I guess it's for humidity. We have thank you for shopping on FURLA.com. All of your purchases have been lovingly designed in Italy. Hi Italy! We hope you enjoy them. I hope as well. Okay, so here we got one Metropolis Amoris crossbody, and we have a Rialto Hobo XL. You can return within 30 days, and if it is a sale season, you have to return it within 14 days. The small one will be the last one because actually I really didn't need it, but I loved it so much when I see it in the site that I said, okay, half a price, you're gonna be mine. So let's start with the big one. Okay, so the big one is FURLA Rialto, we said. Rialto like Venice. First of all, loving a good giant dust bag. How is it? It's smelling high quality. We got some detail with written FURLA. Like it, because I'm not a big fan of like FURLA. Here we have, I adore this handle because I really think that is kind of luxury. Let's see if this is working smoothly. When you open it, it's more smooth than when you close it. Nothing that is gonna bother me, but because we're unboxing, I'm gonna tell you what I feel. Okay, so here we have a small detail for the zipper as well. And from the outside, I wouldn't say anything else because actually there are no pockets. It's like there are no feet. So it's just like a plain black bag. That is exactly what I wanted, with a little bit of twist here in the handle. Perfect. In the inside we got an extra zipper here, and here it's written FURLA genuine leather. All the zippers are protected with some plastic, so you got it in pristine conditions. Okay, and here we got like a small book that is proving that it's leather. It's saying that of course you don't want it to be wet, you want to dry it immediately, and also it has to be far away from oils and this kind of materials. Exactly from the other side we got an extra pocket here. The inside is in a black line with kind of stripes, and there are two pockets. One I assume is for my mobile phone, but I think it's a little bit small. This is a Samsung S7 and it's not fitting, so okay. I can use the other pocket, and here I can keep something else. I am quite satisfied about my my purchase. I'm a little bit concerned because it is really soft. So actually you see that, of course, now it's empty, so this is the shape, but I really hope that in few years it won't get totally sad. But for now, I'm super happy, and also about the price. Half a price for such a big bag, leather bag with a nice design. That's a plus. I'm so happy about this one. I'm so happy about this one. Okay. Wow. I love it. I love it already. 1 second. I love it. First of all, I'm gonna tell you what is making me so good impression. First of all, these studs are 3D, like totally 3D. Like it's not that kind of girlish and childish heart that is like, I'm a girl, I like hearts. Like you don't even understand really well that are hearts. It's something like a detail. So loving this. Second of all, the color of the hearts is this kind of golden, yellowish, I don't know, I really like it. It's squishy, it's so soft, it's so squishy, like tufted, I don't know what is inside, but it's a matte leather. Loving it. I don't like shiny leather, don't like it at all. Okay, so let's open it. Okay, as per usual, like my other Metropolis bag, if you didn't see the video, I'm gonna put a link here up. It's gonna move just one of the two buttons, okay, just this one. Okay, let's remove. Okay, we have a black line that is leather. It's leather for sure. This is suede. What? I didn't realize it. Okay, actually I was so stupid, but from the side I didn't realize that this was so adjustable. This is like a belt, you can do whatever you want. Okay, actually you don't have a lot of holes. We have just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes. But I have a punch holder, so I can do more if I want. Okay, okay. So happy. Oh my god, I love this metal, the color of this metal, this matte color. Yes, it's a matte gold, that's why I love it. I'm impressed. I am impressed. And it's kind of a nice size. It's not so small that it's like a clutch that you can use only for the evening, but it's not giant, so you won't use it for the evening. First of all, I'm gonna show you what is inside. Okay, so we have again a small book again. So we have here one compartment. The lining is exactly the same lining of the other bag, so totally happy about it because it's a really high quality lining. Like the other Metropolis bag, this can be removed, like this piece can enter the hole. Voila! You can use it as a clutch. I brought also the other Metropolis FURLA bag for comparison. So actually they are told exactly the same, but it's a little bit smaller. This one had also an extra pocket here. It's much smaller handle. There is this much smaller handle. And as well as the other Metropolis bag, we have some feet. This will be much more sensitive than this one. Like the leather, you can feel that this leather is much sensitive. Okay, so it was a kind of strange. I'm really so nervous when I do unboxing because I don't know what I'm gonna revealing and I don't know my feelings, so I was sure that I would be more excited by this one because actually this bag has nothing spicy about it except for the handle. That's why I choose exactly this one. And also the shape, I think that is really elegant because it's not squared. I have seen in the FURLA site a lot of squared bags, but it's a little bit too boxy, you know? So I really preferred something a little bit smoother. But other than that, this was just a bag that I needed. A bag that I needed. This one, I fell in love with it, and it's even more beautiful in real life than in the site. So I'm so happy that I pulled the trigger and I got 2 of them. So I checked the site, there are still seasonal sales, so I really suggest you to have a look. This video is not sponsored, I'm just genuine in love with FURLA, with the quality of FURLA and with the style and the design of FURLA. And I will link these 2 below. Till now they are still available, so I really hope that if you want to buy one of these 2, you can find them. Thank you so much for watching, and as per usual, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to support the 7 Days channel, subscribe is the red button down there. See you soon, bye bye!